Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Code with Surya Official. Today's video is going to be super helpful. We are not building a web page yet, but before we do that, we need to understand how HTML actually works. So in this video, we will learn what is HTML, what are tags, what is the difference between tag, element and attribute, and some simple rules to write clean HTML code. We will go step by step in every simple words. So if you are just starting your web development journey, don't worry. I will make it super easy to understand. So if you are ready, then let's get started. What is HTML? HTML is the code we can use to make web pages. It tells the browser what to show, like text, images, buttons, links, and many more. Think of it like the bones or skeleton of a web page. It gives structure to everything. Without HTML, the page would be empty. Nothing would show up. What is a tag? In HTML, everything is written using tags. A tag is a word inside angle bracket. Let me write it. This tells the browser that, hey browser, show a heading. Here, h1 starts the heading and /h1 ends the heading. Most tags comes in pair, one opening, one closing. The closing tag always has a slash. Let's talk about something that confuses a lot of beginners. What's the difference between a tag, an element, and an attribute? Let's make it really easy. A tag is just the code inside the angle brackets. It tells the browser what to do, like show a heading, a paragraph, or an image. An element is the full set. It includes the starting tag like h1, the content like hello world, and the closing tag like /h1. So this whole line is an element. An attribute is extra info added inside the opening tag. Here is the example. Here img is the tag, src stands for source, and alt stands for alternate. So src and alt are attributes. So the src is tells the browser where the image is, and alt is tells what to show if the image doesn't load. The whole line is called an element. Syntax of HTML. Alright, now you know the difference between a tag, an element, and an attribute. Now let's talk about something important, the syntax of HTML. But before we jump into HTML syntax, let me explain this with something you already know. That is English grammar. In English, we use a full stop to end a sentence. We use comma to separate words. We start a sentence with a capital letter and ends it with full stop. We follow rules to make the sentence clear and easy to understand. If we don't follow the rules, people might get confused, right? Well, HTML works the same way. It also has rules. We call them HTML syntax. If we follow them, the browser can understand what to show. If we don't follow them, our web page might break. Now let's learn the basic HTML syntax rule. So the first one is tags must be in angle brackets. P tag, h1 tag, image tag, and many more. Most tags comes in pair. They have an opening tag and a closing tag. If you can observe here, the slash is acting as a closing tag. Content goes between the tags. For example, let me write a h1 tag and inside that need to write hello world. So here hello world is the content. So the fourth one is tags must be properly nested. That means if you open one tag inside another, you must close it in reverse order. So let me write an example. Some tags are self-closing. That means they don't need a closing tag. For example, image tag. So these are the syntax or rules for the writing HTML. Now you know the basic rule for writing HTML. Just like grammar in English, HTML also follows its own set of rules. I hope everything made sense and you are feeling more confident now. In the next video, we will start using these rules to create a real HTML layout step by step. So don't miss it. If you found this video really helpful, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Code with Surya Official, and check out for the full playlist for the complete HTML and CSS course. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and happy coding. See you in the next video.